Maama Zedriga Waru ononga mumyuka wa President Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine okuva mambuka ga Uganda eyo ayina obubaka eri gwe bannayuganda munajo muli ab'ennankyukakyuka ababa okulaba ku Uganda empya naddala abakyala omulimu gumina omukulu nga mmwe okulaba nga twenyigira mu lutabaalo luno olw'okujjako Jeno Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Akkiriza ngende Maama mukuwe nga bino abyogeredde Makerere Kavule ku kitebe kya National Unity Platform ku mukolo gw'okukuza olunaku lw'abakyala mu nsi yonna.
The organizers of this great event, Your Excellency, the de facto and de jure President of the Republic of Uganda, with your very many names, and the First Lady, the Secretary General of the National Unity Platform Party, my colleague and my sister, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, ably leading and shining in Western Uganda, the members, the leader of opposition, the members of parliament here present, and all you gallant women and the press. Kunga Uganda, kunga! Kunga Uganda, kunga! Kunga Kyagulanyi, kunga! Yes, in the interest of time, today is a day that we're here to celebrate, isn't it? Although my name is Nanja, allow me to speak in English. I am filled with shock reflecting on the many mistakes, among other things, I made as leader and as the Deputy President. But today is about inspiring inclusion. Have I learned from my mistake as a woman and as a woman in leadership position? Absolutely I have. What does it take to inspire inclusion? It's a holy week. Today is Holy Thursday, Mild Thursday. Last Sunday, as we were reading through the Passion of Jesus Christ, I saw myself as Peter, who denied Jesus, but is now the rock. It's the foundation of the Catholic Church. Peter did. Okay? Because he was human. Jesus made Peter the rock. I reflected the many chances we have had. Today, as women of the National Unity Platform Party, whom are you inspiring and who inspires you? It's time to reflect as human beings, as the women in all these numbers we left to do to make sure the freedom of Olivia is guaranteed. We have the power to make sure Rita Nabukenya and the very many others have not died in vain. That is the answer that we are looking for. The many women whose husbands and sons are either dead or in prison. Your Excellency, I reflected on the day of 8th of April, the year of our Lord 2020, when you unveiled me as your deputy. The question was, what is it you are bringing on board? I still renew that commitment. 3 things: the geography, the gender, and generation. Thank you for giving me a number of opportunities, a number, among others, to hold the highest great office. I don't take it for granted. Number 4. If that is not inspiring inclusion, you handed that great office and went off in trust to me. Amidst all the media frenzy she has crossed, she was bought. She's in African Union, she's in UN, she met Muhozi, she met all those people. You know, sometimes I don't even want. You know, she met them, but you decided and said, I am going to hand over to her.
Yes, sir.
That is inspiring inclusion in practice. I want to say thank you so much. In my handover report, I said I have learned a lot in the 10 days which I did not learn from my professors. Actually, I need to graduate afresh. Your level of tolerance, your level of looking to give second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth chances, your level of saying they are human. But please, don't do it. Don't speak to the media. Don't. You have to. You inspire me, Mama. You inspire me so much. Women, our president is that person, not only his humility, but his trust. His trust, I think you speak to God or to the angels. Because in the way you know people's hearts, you look at our hearts, not the face, not the media frenzy, our reform. And my sister, thank you so much. You inspire. And together today, in the maroon, we were like, you know, we inspire one another. We must all inspire each other. And we must take this in practice. We need to stop the universities intergenerationally, geographically, and the gender. We have the power. And together we are very powerful. Look at her. Today we dropped, you know, she's much younger than me. I dropped 40, 50 plus years and became a sweet 12. Isn't it? Yes. Inspiring. And then I want to thank many of the women in a special way. This lady inspired me from the wardrobe. Nakato. Yes, when I was still at the fence, Nakato told me, Lina, you have nothing to do in the other. You either cross there or you ship out. You inspired me so much. So many of you continue to inspire. Together, do you see any difference? We're like from Western, from Northern, from here, but we are Baganda. What is your name? Namata. Mine is Nancha. So, we inspire not because we are doing great things. Mother Teresa Gambia, I'm almost ending. Mother Teresa Yatugamba, do that small things with great love. Today, the women members of parliament, with my sister here, we inspired one another, even just by dressing up. Thank you very, very much. Mwebale nyo, mwebale nedala, mwebale munonga. Oritia! 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 Thank you so much, my sister.
Oritia. Na Mama Lina Zedriga Vice President omumyuka mpulira wa ggwanga Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Bobi Wine okuva eri mu mambuka g'eggwanga Uganda. ensonga bw'atyo ye bw'azikutte ebigambo bw'atyo bw'abituusizza nti tulina okwekkiririza, tulina okwesitula n'okusitulangana. Bw'olaba munno amukwatireko ayimuke ate era mutubuulire enjiri nti okujjako Nakyemalira General Museveni tulina kusitukiramu ng'eyatega ogw'ekyayi, tulina kulwana lutalo ssematalo, tulina okutereeza eggwanga lyaffe ffennyini nze naawe. Nga tukola ebyo nnyini ebigwanidde okukolebwa mu mutima omulungi ogwawase Buganda nga tukimanya nti eggwanga lino lyaffe. Abaana baffe balina ddiwangaaliramu ebbanga lyonna. Kati tulina direka mu mbeera ki? Tulina direka mu mbeera nnungi eneeyagaza abaana baffe ne bawangala mu Uganda nga ya mulembe eyagaza, eneesombola n'abantu okuva mu mawanga amalala ne bajja e Uganda nabo osobola okunyumirwa ku bulamu bwa Uganda, okusobola okunyumirwa ku ggwanga Uganda erikulemberwa obulungi ng'obuyinza buli mu mikono gy'abantu y'ensi ensuubize. Mbaagala nnyo mwena abaliko mwebali kubaako. Omukama Katonda nsaba abankuumire. Tujja kuba tuddamu tugambe ebigambo bw'anabakkiriza Dunda Lugaba Namugereka Batayi mweraba.